Do you ever use the phrase, I'll try to do better next time, when you're talking to your woman after you guys get in a fight or whatever, you're just making up, and you're like, I'll try to do better next time, or next time I'll try to do this. Think about how that comes across and how you feel about yourself, more importantly, when you say that, versus if you were to say, I'm going to do X next time. And you actually spell out the specifics of what you just discussed. And you, in that moment, commit to doing that next time. It helps you understand more clearly what you're going to do differently next time so that it works and you guys don't fall into the same argument. And from her side, you're more convicted in how you come across. There's a huge difference between you saying, I'll try to do better next time, and next time I'm going to ABC. I was on a call with a guy recently, and he said, I'm going to talk to my wife, and I'm going to tell her, I'm going to try to do this, and I really hope it works for us. And I said, what if we got rid of both those words? Get rid of the word try and hope and say it again. And he did, and he was like, I'm going to do this for us next time, and it's going to work out. It's like, man, what a difference that makes, right? And you might be saying like, okay, well, I don't know if it's going to work out, this and that, but like, when you have that kind of mindset going into something, oh, I'm not sure if it's going to work out, then you can't fully commit and you can't fully back yourself up and trust yourself that you're going to move forward with it. Because you're not saying next time everything will be perfect. You're saying next time this happens, I'm going to do X. Something that's fully in your control and that you're fully capable of doing when the time comes. So it's just a way to protect yourself using words that will actually help you win instead of using words that will keep you in doubt, that will keep you in fear, that will keep you in this place of uncertainty where she sees you as this man who's uncertain and this man she can't fully trust because he's not fully committed. He's trying. And look, we both can do this. Women can do this too. I do this in my relationship. I'll catch myself when I say, I'm going to try. And either my boyfriend will call me out or I'll call myself out and be like, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to try, I'm going to do it. Because that's always more in line with the type of person and partner we want to be. Someone who's committed to doing, not someone who's going to try and see what happens and hope that it works. I also wanted to let you guys know that I have a new offer called Built Daily. So if you are looking for coaching on a specific situation and you want to be coached on it, you want to know what the next step to take is, then you could join Built Daily. It is not my 3-month program. Totally different. So check it out in the description of this video. I will see you in the next one.